Okay, this little video on sump deals, how mine works basically. We got a little PVC pipe here. It's got slits cut in it, and it comes up. You siphon the water into it. It comes up, goes over, and obviously down into the stand. Comes down. This one right here is to start the suction. You open it, and what I do is suck on it with my mouth until I get a mouthful of seawater. Not super practical for me, but I don't know, I don't mind a little mouthful. This one back here is just mainly turn on and off, and this one is to adjust how much is coming down so that your pump is pumping out the same amount that's coming in. And this is basically my refugium. Got the skimmer, refuge. This is a tiny little Helmedia plant and a whole bunch of Chaeto. Chaeto's been there about a week, 2 weeks. It's doubled pretty much. I have this, the double baffle deal, so you don't get any bubbles, micro bubbles into the pump, and then I don't know, they make bubble algae or whatever. I don't know much about that stuff, but basically, and then I pump it back up through these two soft hoses, and comes up the back side here. And there's the two hoses. They bend over and back into the tank. Alright, this is the second part of my sump. I currently don't have a slit in here to stop the water from sucking down, so if there was a power outage, then I would have my sump overflow. So I'm going to do that right now. I'm just going to let it keep draining and filling up my sump. I'm going to try to get this on video. It's the part that everyone's been wanting to see now, probably. I'm going to start the siphon. So, here it goes. A little cramped in here. Yeah. So you gotta let all the water out first. Forgot about that one. Ugh. Anyways, okay. Now I just got a free mouthful of water. Get to do it again. Okay. Alright, I'm retarded. So, I just made that hole so I can't start it so it would end the siphon. So clearly it works. So I guess now we need to turn on the power, get some more water back up in there. Okay, that should be good enough. I gotta do this quick so it won't overflow. Turn the light on. That's for all the ladies. Alright. Light back off. It looks like to me we're good to go. It looks like just a little bit too high, but that's fine with me. Only about, it's about perfect. Little snail shot there. A little hair algae shot. And that's pretty much it. So, thanks.